Cat and Genny Mock Tests 2026, 20 questions and answers. For more practice test questions and our online Cat and Genny course, click this link. Or visit our website www.healthandsafetytrainingfirst.co.uk. Question 1. Which cat detection mode is specifically designed to locate electromagnetic fields emitted by live power cables? A. Radio mode, B. Genny mode, or C. Power mode? The correct answer is C. Power mode. Question 2. What is the mandatory control measure when an underground service is found but its full length remains unverified? A. Switch to avoidance mode and continue mechanical excavation. B. Halt heavy machinery and use hand tools or trial holes to investigate. Or C. Proceed if the service does not appear on the official utility plans. The correct answer is B. Halt heavy machinery and use hand tools or trial holes to investigate. Question 3. In which operational mode does a signal generator broadcast a signal through the earth to be picked up by buried services? A. Direct connection, B. Power mode, or C. Induction or indirect transmission? The correct answer is C. Induction or indirect transmission. Question 4. What is a notable technical limitation of a standard Cat and Genny system? A. It is unable to detect any metallic valves or couplings. B. It cannot identify the specific contents of a pipe or the voltage of a cable. Or C. It is limited to detecting services buried shallower than 30 centimeters. The correct answer is B. It cannot identify the specific contents of a pipe or the voltage of a cable. Question 5. Under the Health and Safety at Work etc. Act of 1974, what must employers provide to ensure safety regarding underground hazards? A. Information, training and supervision. B. Equipment, PPE and insurance. Or C. Plans, surveys and certificates. The correct answer is A. Information, training and supervision. Question 6. Under the CDM regulations of 2015, who holds the responsibility for the construction phase plan regarding underground services? A. The client, B. The principal designer, or C. The principal contractor? The correct answer is C. The principal contractor. Question 7. According to CDM Part 4, Regulation 25, what is required for work that carries a risk of hitting an underground service? A. Work must not proceed unless suitable steps are taken to prevent risk. B. Work can only be performed by official utility company staff. Or C. Work only needs to stop if a service is missing from the original plan. The correct answer is A. Work must not proceed unless suitable steps are taken to prevent risk. Question 8. If a Cat and Genny unit is found to be faulty, what does the Provision and Use of Work Equipment Regulations of 1998 require? A. Use the device with extra caution until the shift is over. B. Cease use immediately until the unit is repaired or replaced. Or C. Continue work but report the fault to the HSE within 24 hours. The correct answer is B. Cease use immediately until the unit is repaired or replaced. Question 9. Why does HSG 47 advise against relying solely on utility plans for planning excavation? A. Utility companies have no legal obligation to provide accurate data. B. Plans are considered legally expired 30 days after their issue date. Or C. Surface regrading may mean that the recorded depths are no longer correct. The correct answer is C. Surface regrading may mean that the recorded depths are no longer correct. Question 10. Which HSG 47 level of survey involves a physical investigation using detection tools informed by a desktop study? A. Desktop study, B. Site investigation, or C. Physical identification? The correct answer is B. Site investigation. Question 11. Which factor can significantly impact the reliability of a detection device's results? A. The time of day the survey takes place. B, the specific brand or manufacturer of the cat, or C, ground conditions such as soil type or buried metal debris. The correct answer is C, ground conditions such as soil type or buried metal debris. Question 12. What is the primary role of a signal generator in service detection? A, to apply a detectable signal onto a buried service for the cat to find. B, to process and interpret signals caught by the cat's antennas. Or C, to provide GPS coordinates and data logging for the survey. The correct answer is A, to apply a detectable signal onto a buried service for the cat to find. Question 13. Which accessory is used to apply a signal to a live cable or pipe when a direct lead connection is impossible? A, a magnetic bracket. B, earth stake. Or C, Genny clamp. The correct answer is C, Genny clamp. Question 14. What is the function of an earth stake when using direct connection leads? A, to provide an earth return path for the generated signal. B, to act as an extension rod for deeper services. Or C, to connect the Genny directly to a live plug. The correct answer is A, to provide an earth return path for the generated signal. Question 15. How are sondes utilised when trying to locate non-conductive underground services like plastic ducts? A, they are magnetic clips for telecommunication wires. B, they are battery-powered transmitters pushed through pipes to emit a signal. Or C, they are specialised tracer wires used only for gas mains. The correct answer is B, they are battery-powered transmitters pushed through pipes to emit a signal. Question 16. How often should cat and Genny equipment be calibrated to remain compliant with safety standards? A, every 6 months. B, at least every 12 months. Or C, only when a major fault is detected or batteries are changed. The correct answer is B, at least every 12 months. Question 17. What document is provided as evidence that a detection tool is accurate and has been properly tested? A, a manufacturer user guide. B, a site investigation report. Or C, a product validation certificate. The correct answer is C, a product validation certificate. Question 18. Which user competence factor is critical for the accurate interpretation of cat signals? A, the physical weight and height of the operator. B, the operator's ability to drive to the site location. Or C, the operator's hearing ability to distinguish changing audible tones. The correct answer is C, the operator's hearing ability to distinguish changing audible tones. Question 19. Which on-site indicator strongly suggests the presence of underground utility services? A, street furniture like lampposts, hydrants or manholes. B, dense tree lines or tall grass. Or C, the moisture level of the surface soil. The correct answer is A, street furniture like lampposts, hydrants or manholes. Question 20. What does it mean if the signal response drops to 0 when you rotate the cat 360 degrees over a pinpointed service in Genny mode? A, the device has a technical fault and needs recalibration. B, the Genny batteries have failed during the search. Or C, the cat is now aligned perfectly with the direction of the service. The correct answer is C, the cat is now aligned perfectly with the direction of the service. For online construction and other safety courses, free guidance and more tests, find us on www.healthandsafetytrainingfirst.co.uk or call us on 0330 122 6126. Thanks for watching.